Hello, my name is Ken. I'm a farm labourer here at 1820s Pockley Old Hall. Welcome to Beamish, the living museum of the North. Take a step back in time and experience the past coming to life at our award-winning open-air museum. Here at Pockley Old Hall, we're telling the story of how people lived almost 200 years ago. Explore the old house, the new house, take a stroll through the Georgian landscape and enjoy a ride on our 1820s steam train at Pockley Wagon Way.
Okay, so we're just taking the bread out of the oven here. It's part of the story that the bakery tells of Beamish. The aspirational middle class in the town here at Beamish, and they like their good products. So we sell a traditional white bread. Bakery is part of the Beamish town here. It's an early 20th century town, very, very reminiscent of a northeastern town of the time. By visiting Beamish, you're experiencing a real taste of traditional northeastern life.
The wealth of this region was built on coal, and down here in our 1900s pit village you can experience what life was like for miners and their families in all elements of their lives. Come and join us in one of the classrooms of the Pit Village School and see what life was like for the boys and girls of these communities. Have a go at writing with a slate and pencil, go out the back and play with the games, or keep an eye out for that school teacher and his cane. You can take a trip down the drift mine to meet the miner, or pop in and visit his wife to see what she's baking, call into the band hall and play a musical instrument, or go and visit the pit ponies. But my top tip would be to go and visit that fish and chip shop.
Well, if you want to experience life on the home front, then the 1940s farm is the place to visit. Find out about rationing, make, do and mend, all about the animals, and most importantly, help us dig for victory. Because here you'll discover how important the farmers were in keeping the nation fed and home fires burning during the Second World War. This is Durham, this is history. Step back in time at Beamish and make your own history.